Right, let me show you how to adjust line spacing in a Google Docs document. So the first step is to select the part of the Google Docs document that you want to adjust line spacing for. So for me, it's going to be this paragraph here. Now, if it's the entire document, then you can just go ahead and select the entire document. You can press Control A if you're using a Windows computer, or Command A if you're using a Mac. So once everything is selected, you want to go to this menu bar at the top here and then find this icon here. Okay, so you can see it's three lines with a double arrow facing up and down. And when you put your mouse cursor over it or pointer, it's going to say line and paragraph spacing. So that's the one you want to click on. Now here you have single spacing, you have 1.15 spacing, which is the one I'm currently on. You can tell the one you're currently on because it's going to have a check mark on the left hand side. Now you can change this to one of these predefined spacings. For instance, I can have 1.5 spacing. You can see that makes even bigger space. Or you can, if it was too spaced and you want to cramp it up a little bit, you can select 1.15, right? Now, also, if 1.15 is too tight for you and 1.5 is too wide for you, you can actually go and select custom spacing. So let's say you want 1.35. Let's say that's what you want. Okay, so you can just come here and select a specific spacing. So 1.35, you can type it in there and then click on apply, and that's going to apply the exact line spacing that you want. All right, so that is basically how to adjust or change line spacing in a Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.